Hello children, today in this video we'll learn about past perfect tense. We are going to learn about past perfect tense. Okay, first understand this simple idea. Past perfect tense is used when one thing happened, is used when one thing happened before another thing in the past. One thing happened before another thing happened in the past. Okay, now listen to this example, then you'll understand the above concept. What is that example? I had finished my homework before my friend came. Okay, what is the example, children? I had finished my homework before my friend came. So what happened first? What happened first? Here, I finished homework. Yes. What happened first, children? Here, I finished homework. Okay, this is past perfect. What is this? This is past perfect. The homework complete chesanu anedi past perfect. Next, my friend came anedi simple past. It's simple past. My friend came means it is, this is in simple past. So remember one thing, children, in past perfect tense what we'll say first? Past perfect, then simple past. So one thing happened before another thing in the past. Okay, so what is the rule here, children? Then what is the rule? First action is, what is the first action? Past perfect. Past perfect means had plus V3. Had plus V3. Second action, simple past, right? So we saw in this example, no, first I had finished my homework before my friend came. So first action is had plus V3. Second action is friend came. So ante enti, one thing happened before another thing in the past. So past ఏమైందంటే ఒక థింగ్ అయింది, పాస్ట్లో అయిన దానికంటే ముందు ఇంకొకటి ఇప్పుడు జరుగుతుంది, దట్ అప్పుడు మనం పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ టెన్స్ని యూజ్ చేస్తామన్నమాట. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్ట్రక్చర్ నౌ? సబ్జెక్ట్ plus had plus V3. Subject plus had plus V3. Now see examples. Subject plus had plus V3 is the structure. Okay, what is example now? I had eaten food. They had completed the work, right? Okay, subject I had eaten V3. What is the thing here? Food. Okay, I had eaten food, that is a work. They had completed the work. The subject had completed the work. Okay, we learn now negative sentence in past perfect tense. Okay, we learn negative sentence. So what is negative sentence now? Negative sentence, what is the structure? Subject plus had not plus V3. Okay, example. What is the example? I had not finished my homework. I had not finished my homework. Right, children? You are able to understand? Yes, because it is negative, we are using here not. సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ హ్యాడ్ నాట్ ప్లస్ V3. షార్ట్ ఫామ్ ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ, హ్యాడెంట్ వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా, దిస్ ఆల్సో యూ షుడ్ లెర్న్. ఓకే, నౌ వి లెర్న్ question sentence. Had plus subject plus V3. Right, example, had you completed your homework? What is the structure here for question sentence? Had plus subject plus V3. So what is the sentence? Had you completed your homework? So for question you have to keep question mark, right? Had you completed your homework? What is structure? Had plus subject plus V3. So now we should learn very important time words. Okay, now we are going to learn time words. These are very important, children, anywhere when you are using in a sentence. Okay, what are they? Before, after, already, just, by the time. Okay, now we'll see examples. You will be able to understand. She had already left before I called. Okay, so what is the time word here? Before. She had already left before I called. అంటే నేను కాల్ చేసే ముందే she had left అన్నమాట. ఓకే, అనదర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. By the time we reached the movie had started. By the time we reached, the movie had started. అంటే మూవీకి రీచ్ అయ్యే టైంకి మూవీ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయింది. Okay, now what common mistakes we'll see here. Common mistakes. This is very important, children. Okay, we should not say here had went. This is past perfect. So what we should say? Had gone, you should say. Okay, after using subject plus had, we should not use went. We should use had gone. Okay, in the sentence is correct. Again, we should not use had ate. We should not use had ate. We should use had eaten. What we should use? Had eaten. Okay, this is correct. Okay, so we should always use V3 form. Which form we should use, children? V3 form. This is most important. That is had gone, had eaten. Okay, example we'll see now. I had missed the bus, so I was late. So see the example, I had missed the bus, so I was late. Okay, okay, that's it. Very simple, children. What is structure here? Had plus V3. It will tell us past. Had plus V3. What? Past perfect tense. It tells us about past perfect tense. Practice this and you will understand easily. Thank you, friends.